This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by installing and signing in so the app can work reliably. Open the App Store, search Teams, and tap Get. Once installed, open it. Sign in with your work or school account if you use Teams for collaboration or a personal Microsoft account for casual use. Grant camera, microphone, and notification access because meetings and calls need those permissions to function. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active for smoother audio and video. This prevents dropped connections early on. Now you'll learn how to move through the app so you can collaborate efficiently. Tap the bottom tabs. Activity shows mentions and alerts. Chat holds one-to-one or group conversations. Teams lists channels and files. And Calendar shows scheduled meetings. When in a channel, tap a post to reply or use the Compose box to start a threaded conversation. Threaded replies keep context. For meetings, use the Calendar tab to join, and use the Files tab to access shared documents without leaving the app. To finish setup and join meetings smoothly, practice joining and controlling your devices. Tap a calendar meeting and choose Join. Review camera and mic toggles so you aren't heard or seen unintentionally. Use the three-dot menu to enable background effects, pin participants, or start screen sharing when presenting. When done, hit Leave. Meetings will end for you but stay for others. If audio or video fails, close the app, check iPhone settings Teams permissions, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and sign out and back in as a reliable troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.